We have 4 teas we would like to recommend, and they are good for your skin and health, so stay tuned to find out. Welcome to Beauty Farm. I'm Jujanni, and today I'm going to talk about tea, the one you drink, for all my tea lovers out there. So there are many different types of teas with various flavors and tastes, each one with its own skin and health benefits. And many people like to drink tea as an alternative for water, which is actually pretty smart. So today I'm going to introduce 4 teas you should drink for your skin, and I did all the research for you. Before I talk about tea, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Beauty Farm. We talk about all things beauty and health, and if that's something you're interested, then join us. We upload once a week. Now, throughout the research, I noticed that most teas are all high in vitamins, anti-inflammatory properties, and antioxidants to help your skin when ingested. So just keep that in mind, that all teas are beneficial for your health. All right, let's go make some tea. Green tea is probably the most well-known teas out there, and some people like to directly apply this onto their faces. According to my research, green tea improves brain function, reduces bad breath, and helps to burn fat. For skin benefits, they reduce acne and help control sebum due to polyphenols and antioxidants, which is great for oily skin. Hibiscus plant is known for its colorful flowers, and they're delicious to drink hot or cold. According to my research, hibiscus tea lowers blood pressure, helps weight loss, and fights bacteria. It's full of vitamins A, B1, B2, omega-3, and natural AHA. Drinking this tea will give your skin a fresh glow and cleanse your skin. Chamomile has a delicious taste and comforting aroma, so this could be included in your nighttime skincare routine. According to my research, chamomile tea improves sleep quality, relieves anxiety and stress. It's a natural medicine to ease heartburn and nausea. Chamomile also helps with calming and healing the skin. It soothes skin irritation, redness, and rosacea. Pumpkin is delicious in anything from pumpkin soup to pumpkin spice lattes, but it's also good with tea. According to my research, pumpkin tea helps detox your body, boosts the immune system, and promotes healthy skin. Pumpkin contains vitamins, zinc, and potassium, which is good for acne scars, and it has the ability to brighten your skin. Teas are good to drink every day, but they're even better when you know the benefits, so you can choose depending on your needs. Comment down your favorite tea. My favorite tea is hibiscus and green tea. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!